Okay, good day, Mofokeng Works. Today we are working on a locksmith part, not the auto repair. We'll be adding a spare key on this VW Polo. I think it's from 2010 till 2014. So here's the things I'm gonna be, or the keys. I already prepared the key. We have this remote part. You can see it's lighting, but there's nothing. You can't hear the sound of the doors closing or opening. As you can see, there's a light, green, red light there. Then we prepared our super chip 8000. It's a super chip from Autel. Then we are gonna use a Zos key. This is a blank key. So I'm gonna put the chip inside here when I'm done, or when I'm about to program this key. So this is the original one. As you can see, I'm gonna start the car with this one. So our car is idling, as you can see. So I'm gonna switch it off. So we're gonna be using the Autel IM508 together with XP400 Pro, and then here I'm using a key tool max to decode the key. You already decode the key. You can see the reading there. So we're gonna be using also Delphine XP005L, which is just outside here to cut the blade. But remember, I already decoded this key, the original one. So okay, let's cut the blank key, and then we put the chip inside. Then we start. I'm gonna start, I think, with the remote first, to program the remote. Then we do the key after. I'm gonna put, so you just follow the instruction. So the normal this one is gonna use the beat lamp. Okay, let's say cut, but you must connect to the machine. You'll see it will link or synchronize. Let me select. There is gonna change, say connected. There you go. Then just gonna say cut, say continue. There we go. So while it's cutting, I'm just checking here for our 100%. So it's busy cutting there. Okay, yeah, we're done cutting our blade. As you can see, there's a new one, both sides. So I'm just gonna insert our chip. Our chip is there inside. You can see now. There's a purple color there. So the remote is still not working. So we're gonna come here. Please don't forget to be connected to Wi-Fi. Then normally I'll just go for, can go to manual or expect, or it doesn't matter. So I normally like to read the VIN automatically to see the model. And then our battery is on top, 12 volts. You can use the battery maintainer, but since all this thing takes less than 5 minutes, I think I'll be using the battery of the car. All the radio must be off and other stuff. So yeah, so we say okay, we check. I think this car from Europe, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, let's go for Europe 2010, 2014. I was right. Okay, then there we go, Polo. Okay, say yes. No, I'll just say control unit. Let's go for the remote first. So we'll be adding the remote. It will just tell you blah blah, it's gonna erase, but now we're not erasing, we're just adding. There's option for adding, and then you can deactivate the remote and activate. So we say add, and normally they say just make sure the car is unlocked. Then you say okay. So you're just gonna press one button while it's doing the hazard, then it's gonna accept it. Then there we go. There we I saw there was hazard. They say programming successful. Then you say, do you want to run another car? I said no. So the remote control edit finished. Then we're done. Let's test it. Then we're gonna remove the original key, and now we're gonna press our remote. There you can see it's working. Check. It's closing. So it's working. So we are done with the remote. Then I think now I can somehow join the whole key to make one unit. ready. There we go. Nice. Then you say finish. You go back. You say immobilizer. Then let's just auto detect. I know it's gonna be 24C 60 64, but yeah, let's just be sure. There we go. 24C 2013. Say okay. We come here to ID48 key clone. You say okay, blank key must be cloned. Okay, ID identification is fine already. You say yes. Now they say you must insert the working key inside. There we go. The car is on, and then turn the car on. There we go. Connecting the programmer. This is the programmer. So we still have our blank key. They just telling me the cluster will be blank. As you can see, the cluster is blank automatically, but it's still the key still on, the original key still on the ignition. So this is just the process that it must follow. Okay, now we are reading IMO data, as you can see. Okay. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now it's almost 100. I'm communicating with the vehicle. Our cluster just came. Okay. Okay. Now it's cloning. Okay, as you can see here, we have our ID there. So, okay. Connecting to the programmer. Okay. Now they say place the blank key into the programmer and press OK. Okay, let me just close it. There we go. Our blank key is inside. Then we say so it's performing the key loading. Okay, there we go. So it's establishing communication of the key. Remember, we have our ID48, which is the super chip. Cloning successful. Then we remove. We say OK. And then OK. So let's see if this key can start. Remember, this is our key. Let's see if this key can start. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna. The car is on. Before it was saying no key. Let's start. There we go. So that's how you clone or make a spare key using the original key on the Polos. So we are done. Can open, can close. So yeah, the client is having both keys now. Thank you. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel. Thank you guys.